Hello everyone, welcome to Science Expertise. In this video, we will check whether an entered number is even or odd using C programming. So here in this video, we will take one number as an input from user and we'll check whether that entered number is even or odd, right? So here I will make a file program 5.c, right? And here I will write my code. Okay, hashtag include stdio.h, and after that I will write void main. Okay, and in this void main I will write my logic. Firstly, we will discuss about what is even number and what is odd number. So what is even number? So even number are those numbers which are divisible by 2, right? So the example of even number is what? 2, 4, 6, 8. So if we divide any number by 2 and we get remainder as 0, then that number is even number. And the example is 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Okay. Now what is odd number? So odd number is one which is not divisible by 2. The example of odd number is what? 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Okay. So when we divide any number by 2 and we don't get the remainder as 0, then that number is odd number. So this is the basic term. I think you all are familiar with this from your very first standard, right? So here I will, inside this void main, I will make a variable a of integer data type, and in this a variable I will store the value which is entered by the user, right? Now using this printf function I will write inside this enter one number. Okay, and after that I will take one number as an input from user. For that I will use scanf function, and inside this scanf function I will write %d format specifier and give the address of a, right? And now to check whether an entered number is even or odd, what I have to do, I will use here conditional statement. Basically I will use here if else statement, right? So what I will do, I will simply divide the entered number by 2, and if the remainder comes out to be 0, then that number is even number, and if it is not so, then that number is odd number, right? So I will write if a modulo 2 is 0, then printf even number, right? And here what is this modulo operator? So this modulo operator simply gives us the remainder. If we divide any number by 2, then this modulo operator gives us the what? Gives us remainder. So suppose the user entered 4. So here the value of a is 4, and 4 modulo 2 gives what? 0. So this modulo operator simply gives us the remainder. Now 4 modulo 2 is 0, and is 0 equal to 0? Yes. So this will print even number, right? And if it is not so, then in else part I will write what? Printf odd number. Okay, printf odd number. So this is the program. Now I will run it. So here this is the main logic, okay, to check whether an entered number is even or odd. Here in this terminal section you can see enter one number and I will enter 5, right? And you can see odd number, right? Now I will again run it, and let's see, enter one number and I will enter 6, and you can see even number, right? So even number you can see here, and I think this video helped you a lot. Okay, thank you. Thank you once again.